Hello and welcome to Wyckoff Training Academy. This is the tracker analysis uh, of 1 week uh, of instrument is Nifty-50 index. In this tracker, we got 8 trades, and all the 8 trades yield us profit. So accuracy is 100%. Total trades were 8. Minimum points, maximum points 74, minimum points 4. Total points gain was 352 points. This particular Nifty trade tracker, I have taken sample of 3 minutes time frame. As we all know, Nifty market works for like 6 to 7 hours, and all the analysis is done based on tape reading toolkit, master structure version 106, and PVI Vice version 117. So without wasting any time, we'll jump to the chart. So let me pull up the chart. This is Nifty on 3 minutes. Same as Euro USD and XAUSD. We are starting from 21st of Feb. On 21st of Feb, we got this wonderful trade. Rise, touch, breakdown. Then price is hugging and revolving around this particular resistance, and eventually it turned out we tested it, and there was a selling taking place over here. And let me zoom in. So after the selling bar or candle, this is the entry bar wherein all the supply has been engulfed or eaten away by this particular, like all the demand was eaten away by this particular supply. And if you see, force of supply is greater than demand, and this is the pullback which we have taken into consideration. This is the first trade which we got on 3 minutes. On 21st, no trade. On 22nd, and on 23rd, we got 2 trades. First one, we are testing this support. As soon as this bar closed above, as we are coming down, you can see supply is greater than demand, and all of a sudden there is no supply, weak supply, and then demand greater than supply, which was clearly visible by seeing the force of demand and supply. This is slowly I'm trying to give you idea of how Wyckoff trades unfold. So for you, it is a deeper pullback, then price came above. This was a place or trigger bar or entry bar for buy trade, and somewhere here or on this particular bar I would have exited. This is the second trade. This is pure Wyckoff, shifting of hand taking place from supply to demand. You can see price bars up and down, up and down, up and down, and on this bar or this candle, it has engulfed in all the supply, or this is the feather's weight kind of a bar, wherein price started its upward journey. So this is how it unfolded. This is the second trade. On 26, we got. Look at the trade setup. I am not trying to trade every tick or every point or every tick of the trade. I'm trying to, and I'm looking out for trades which are visible, which are easy to understand, and which has simplicity in it. Don't overcomplicate things. Supplies, force of supply is greater than demand. This is the demand. Now you can see fresh supply, fresh force of supply coming in as we are approaching back towards the resistance level. Demand is weaker or next to zero. This is the trigger bar. You can see it has eaten away all the demand which was created over here and which was created over here. So that's the reason we had seen sharp fall after this. This is 26, and this is 27. Again, you can see demand, force of demand is greater than supply. This bar, trend changing bar. Then this one, I think this is, let me zoom in a bit. This is a weak demand bar, followed by up move, then an effort to take the market down, and then price started upward journey. You can check the exits, and this is a particular accumulation kind of situation. As we have started our downward journey, as we are approaching this particular level, though initially if you would feel, one would feel like this is a spring. This is a spring with here it sprung and no supply. After that it consolidated for few bars or more than 5 to 10 bars, and after that you can see this is the excellent buying opportunity after effort to take the market down. Heavy volume test of this particular spring. Here I have initiated one buy. This is my second buy, and if you see this particular portion, you can see selling, demand, force of supply, force of demand. This is what accumulation always look like. When price is stagnant, after a sharp fall or a sharp upward movement, you will see this kind of particular volume behavior. And if you know, and if you read candles with the help of this tool, it will make your task easier for understanding and for identifying accumulation and distribution. Here, supply is exchanging hand with demand. That's the reason every time we have price, like supply is trying its level best to push the market downwards, we are getting a bounce. At this particular point, this was a weak demand, which has almost all eaten away recent supply. That's the reason I have initiated a buy trade over here. And by this bar, it was over. Now, on 1st of March, same thing happening. This is quite simple. Force of demand is greater than supply. We have this trade setup 2 kind of a thing. Supply tried at level best to bring the market down. This was resistance, now got converted into support. No particular touch, but I'm showing you different examples of the trade that you can look out for. You can choose anyone which suits you, and which, if you want price to touch the particular line, there has to be some touch, or either price should go below the line and then close above, or vice versa. You can choose whatever or fits your trading style. Though this is a valid trade because the force of demand is in your favor and price is also making higher progress. So this is a place to take a trade, and if you want, you can call it as a risky trade also. But it paid us well. By this point or this point, you should be out of the trade. That's it. And this is what Nifty trades were: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 trades all in all. So from tomorrow, I'm starting my master trader course, Wyckoff in 21st century, and I've already floated the brochure of with reduced costing so that everyone should get benefit. If anyone is interested, they can join. I already got different requirements for different people. So if you are interested in doing this course or opting for this indicator, tomorrow is the last day for this thing. I kept $70 for these 3 indicators: price, wave, volume, day trading toolkit, and market structure. So thanks for watching the video. If you have any doubt, any concern, you can comment below, or you can join my Telegram channel. Link would be there in description, and we can have a dialogue. So anything else? One thing I would like to add is all these trades are on lower time frame. These are all intentionally chosen time frame. If you go for 1 hour, trade mode would be much more visible, and they would be much more profitable for you. Like for example, on a 1 hour time frame, if you would have initiated trade over here, 9H21954. This is what almost how many points. Let me bring up the tool. So on higher time frame, anything works. If something works on lower time frame, then definitely it's going to work on higher time frame. So that's the reason I have chosen intentionally 5 and 15 minutes, or 3 minutes or 1 minute. So thanks a lot for watching the video. And if you are willing to join the course, this is the last course which I'm floating on, which is starting from tomorrow. You are welcome. Thanks a lot for watching the video, and stay tuned for much more goodies to come. Bye bye.